Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. It's on the car. Gabriel Auto.
If it's gonna slide off from here.
Gabriel Auto Technician.
If not, I'm gonna show you a trick. Take this off. Especially on the big trucks and the big Dodges. This is a small one. This is a Grand Cherokee. But usually in the big Dodges, 2500 or 4500, they're very hard to take them off. But with the years and with other experiences, I learned some things. Now I'm gonna see if this one comes off.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, so now I turn the wheel to this side. So I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna show you how to remove it if it doesn't get out, if it's too rusty. Right here it's a little bit loose, so I'm gonna put some WD-40. This is what it is, WD-40. I always buy a gallon of WD-40. Put it on this spray.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
The tool guy,
That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
they sell a tool,
Highway 100 in.
but you really don't need to buy that tool, because you can put a socket right here like this one, and long extension reaches this part. See, I'm gonna get a longer extension right now, and I'm gonna show it to you. Sí, usualmente las herramientas venden, el chavo que viene de la herramienta aquí, viene cada uno lunes y otro el miércoles. Hoy viene uno con wow, vende una herramienta que diseñaron ya para esto, para quitar esto, empujar, pero con un lado así, y una extensión aquí así. Hace el trabajo de esa herramienta, no tienen que gastar. De aquí a acá, y ahorita les voy a enseñar cómo.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance
Let's push it.
and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating,
Screw.
tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts,
Few-
ball joints. If it's on the car,
few
Gabriel
threads
Auto
inside,
Technician or replace it.
a little bit. So
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway
you can push
100.
it.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, we got these two extensions. Turn the wheel more a little bit. We'll start the engine. The only thing you need a helper, but I don't have any helper here. So I'm gonna have to hold it with another stand.
Mission of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer.
Short. Right there. See if we can push it. Yep. Thumbs up.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance from perishable auto air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. What's on the car?
See how this works?
Gabriel Auto Technician.
Works real good.
Highway 100. That's Gabriel Auto Technician. 413 Highway 100.
Okay. Bolt is okay. This one is okay. See how rusty? It's not too rusty.
All types of maintenance from
I've seen worse than this.
If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.